In this video, we will explain how to change the time. You will also learn the 3 different screens in the device: current status, history screen, and change screen. Here we see the current date and time, and the temperature has disappeared because it's disconnected from the external sensor. When we press the read button, we can see the high temperature today was 7.2 and the low temperature today was 5.6. In order to go back to current status mode, we press the set button one time and we're back to the current date and time. We want to change the time because it's daylight savings time, and so we must enter into change mode or change screen. You must be in the current status screen in order to enter the change screen, and in order to do that we will press the set button and press the read buttons at the same time. We're in now. The screen has changed to outside. We press the read button one time and it takes us to set date, which is exactly what we want to do. We will press set to accept that, and we see the US date format. We will press set to accept that, and now we see the date and time. The date is okay. We will accept the dates going across and come down to the clock by pressing set to accept March and the 2 and the 5 and the 1 and the 4. Now we're down here at 16:09, and we want to change that to 15:09, which is 3:09 p.m. We will accept the 1 by pressing set, and now we will press the read button to scroll that 6 to a 5. If you go beyond, simply keep pressing the read button until you get to the desired number, which is 5. Press set. And the minutes are fine, so we will accept the 0 and we will accept the 9, and the device automatically goes to current status screen. You are now ready to plug the external sensor back into the device and attach it to your storage unit. Remember, you can change the date or time as much as you like on any given day. However, in order to preserve the integrity of the data in the data logger on the next day following a change to the date or time, you will not be allowed into the change mode to change the date or time. This preserves the integrity of the data for each day. And if you have noticed that you've made a mistake or want to change the date and time, you simply wait until after midnight, and the next day the device will allow you back in.